Hello students, now we will see exercise 11.1 of chapter 11 mensuration. So this chapter already we have discussed through our live teaching online classes. Okay, so now we will see the sums, okay, based on this chapter exercise 11.1. So our first question is, a square and a rectangular field with measurements are given in the figure. So two figures are given to you. First one is square and second one is rectangle. So square and rectangle, these two figures are given and also the measurements are given. Okay. Further, have the same perimeter. So it is already given that perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. So ये जो आपको दोनों फिगर दिया है उसका perimeter same है. So perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of both these shapes are same. Okay. Which field has a larger area? So what we have to find out? We will find out that which field has a larger area. So area किसका larger होगा, that we need to find out. Area of square is larger or area of rectangle is larger. So which field has a larger area, that we have to find out. So first of all, for finding area, okay, we need to recall the formula for area of square. So area of square is length into length, L square, or you can write L square, or you can write L into L, length into length, or side into side, whichever you can use. And area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so for finding this rectangle part, the formula for area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Okay, area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Now if you see the figure, length is given to us 80 meter. This is our length, but breadth is not given. Okay, the width, the breadth of this is not given to us. So first of all we need to find out the width. Okay, पहले हमको इसका जो breadth होगा वो हमको निकालना है. So we will first calculate the breadth of this, the width of this. So first of all, how we will find out the width of this? So in the question it is given that perimeter of these both figures are same. It is given that a square and rectangular filled with measurements given in the figure have the same perimeter. So दोनों का perimeter equal है. So पहले perimeter of square निकाल लेंगे. Okay, and then perimeter of rectangle, and we will get one equation. We will solve it and we will get the breadth मिल जाएगा. Then we can apply the formula for area. So पहले इसका breadth calculate करेंगे. So moving ahead with the solution part. So let us see the solution part. So perimeter of the figure A. First of all, perimeter of figure A, we will find out this figure, and which shape it is? Square. Okay, so what is the formula for perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Okay, square का perimeter का formula क्या है? 4 into side or 4 into length. You can take anything. So 4 into 60. 60 is given in the figure. 60 is given. Length is given. Okay, or side is given. 60. So 4 into 60 you will take. So what is 4 into 60? It is 240 meter. So perimeter of this first figure is 240 meter. So मिल गया आपको perimeter इसका. So we have got perimeter of this first figure. Now perimeter of this second figure, that is rectangle. So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? So perimeter of rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. So this is the formula 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of second figure, which is rectangle in shape, the formula is 2 times length plus breadth. Okay, so now we have to apply the condition which is given in the question. Perimeter of figure B is equal to perimeter of figure A. Question में already दिया है कि दोनों का perimeter जो है that is same. Okay, in question it is given. So we have to write perimeter of figure A equal to perimeter of figure B. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. So now with the help of this we will get one equation. So rectangle का जो perimeter है that is 2 into L plus B, that is equal to perimeter of square, और square का perimeter we have just now calculated, it is 240. Square का हमने अभी निकाला था ऊपर, how much it was? This was 240 meter. So that we will keep. So now here we will get one equation with the help of this. So 2 times length plus breadth equal to 240. Okay, now for rectangle in the figure, length is given but breadth is not given. So length value we can put up. So 2 times L plus B. What is L? L is given in the figure 80. If you see the figure of rectangle, length is given to us. See, here length is given 80. So that we can use. So 80 plus B. B is not given, that we have to find out. Okay, so 2 times 80 plus B equal to 240. Now this we will solve it just like equation chapter we have done. Okay, so ये जो 2 है that is in multiplication outside the bracket. तो ये 2 कहाँ जाएगा? यहाँ नीचे जाएगा डिविजन में. ओके, सो ये 2 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, 240 के नीचे यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा, एंड दिस 2 विल गेट रिमूव फ्रॉम दिस साइड. सो यहाँ पे 240 को हम डिवाइड बाई 2 करेंगे. सो 2 1 जा और ये 2 12 जा 24, सो 120. सो कैंसलेशंस करेंगे. ओके, सो वी विल गेट 80 प्लस बी इक्वल टू 120. नाउ दिस 80 is in addition, so we will take it that side and we will transpose. So 120 minus 80, so that will give us 40 meters. So now we have got the breadth of the rectangle. So what we needed, that we got. Breadth of the rectangle we have got. Now we can find out area of both the figure and we can compare that which one has the larger area. So now we will find out area. So first of all, area of square, area of the first figure is side into side. Side square means 60 into 60, so that will be 3600 meters square. Now area is always in square units, so please don't forget to write meter square. Next we will find out area of the second figure B, which is rectangle. So what is formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth, L into B, and now B we have calculated. So 80 into 40, so that will be 3200 meters square. Okay, so from these two, what you can say, which figure has the larger area? Area of figure A is larger or longer than area of figure B. So this was the solution part of first sum. What we did, first of all, दोनों का perimeter equal था, right? Let us recap it. दोनों का perimeter equal था, so इसका जो perimeter आया, okay, that we have taken equal to the perimeter of this rectangle part, and then with the help of that we got one equation. So with the help of that equation we got B. First we have calculated B and then we have applied the formula for area. पहले B calculate किया, फिर area of square and area of rectangle, and then we did the comparison part. Now moving ahead with question number 2. So let us see the question first. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurements as shown in the figure. So this is a square plot. Okay, center house is there and this border part, this garden is there. Okay, so what you can see the figure. Okay, inside there is one rectangle whose length and breadth is given. Again outside there is another this rectangle, or you can take it as a square because 25 25 both sides, this length and breadth both are same. So outside part is a square and inside part is a rectangle. Now she wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. Now she is going to construct house over here in the middle part here where house is written. A garden is developed around the house, and around the house, surrounding this house, one small garden is developed. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Okay, find the cost of developing garden. So जो garden है उसको develop करने का कितना cost होगा, charge होगा, that you need to find out. तो सबसे पहले we need to understand the question. They are asking to find the cost of developing garden. Garden means ये वाला जो आपका part है, okay, ये वाला part, this middle one, okay, तो इतने पार्ट में जो आपका गार्डन डेवलप होगा तो उसका कितना खर्चा आएगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस मच एरिया. ये जो आपका गार्डन जो है वो कितना स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करने वाला है, मीन्स ये इसका एरिया निकालना है हमको, जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है मिडल में, तो वो कैसे निकालेंगे. सो अगर इफ़ वी नो द एरिया ऑफ दिस आउटसाइड पार्ट स्क्वायर, अगर ये बाहर वाले का एरिया निकाल ले और ये अंदर वाले का एरिया निकाल ले, ओके, ये दोनों का अगर हम एरिया निकाल लेंगे, ये बाहर वाला जो बॉर्डर है मीन्स द स्क्वायर शेप एंड दिस इनसाइड पार्ट मीन्स द रेक्टेंगल शेप, दोनों का अगर एरिया निकाल के माइनस कर लेंगे, इफ़ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट, देन वी विल गेट दिस रिमेनिंग पार्ट. ओके, ये बाहर वाले में से मैं ये सेंटर वाला एरिया, ये जो है हाउस का पार्ट, इसको अगर मैं रिमूव कर दूँ, माइनस कर दूँ, then what we will get? We will get this remaining part, this remaining area, and we can get how much area this garden is going to take, and then we can find out the cost also. So let us see the solution part of this. So first of all, area of the plot, side into side, area of the plot. So this plot, if you see this plot, this outside part, which shape it is? It is square. Why it is square? Because ये भी 25 मीटर दिया है, ये भी 25 मीटर दिया है. Okay, means all four sides are equal. ये 25 है, means ये भी 25 होगा. ये 25 है, means ये भी 25 होगा, means the shape is square. So that is why we are going to apply formula for square. So first of all, we will find out area of the square, or you can write down area of the plot. That is side into side, means 25 meter into 25 meter. So that is 625 meter square. Now we will find out area of the house. House means the inside part, which is rectangle in shape if you see the figure. So we will apply formula for area of rectangle, that is L into B. So L into B is 20 into 15. Measurements are already given in the figure. So 20 into 15. So the answer will be 300 meter square. So ये जो आपका है, this is of the total plot and this is of the house. अब जो total plot है, उसमें से जो house वाला part है उसको minus कर देंगे, तो जो remaining part है, that is obviously the garden part. Okay, and that what we want. So area of the garden to be developed. Area of the garden to be developed. How we will get this? Area of the plot minus area of the house. ये दोनों आंसर जो आया है हमारा 625 and 300, we will subtract this both. Then we will get area of the garden to be developed. So after subtracting 625 meter square minus 300 meter square, we will get 325 meter square. So इतने एरिया में गार्डन डेवलप होगा. So गार्डन जो है वो कितने एरिया में डेवलप होगा? 325 meter square. Now they are asking the cost of developing. So cost of developing the garden, in the question it is given that 1 meter square का जो cost है आपका, that is 55 rupees. तो ये जो आपका आ गया है, इसको हम 55 से multiply करेंगे. Question में already it is given, if you see the question, it is given that the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. So this is the charge of 1 meter square. So whatever answer we have got, we just need to multiply it with rupees 55. So cost of developing the garden will be rupees 325 multiplied by rupees 55, and that is rupees 17,875. So this was the solution part of question number 1 and 2. Hope you understood.